Okay, let's try this trigonometry thing here. And up here they say the root 5 sine theta plus 2 equals 0, and it's in between 90 and 270. Well, we have to know that the sine of theta is equal to minus 2 over root 5. And we draw this little pitch here, that's opposite over adjacent. And then by Pythagoras, root 5 squared minus negative 2 squared equals 1. That's minus 1. I moved 1 to the left. I didn't write down the sine of theta equals negative 2 over root 5. That's how I'm able to create this here. Determine, without the use of a calculator, what's tangent. Well, I'm looking at tangent. It's opposite over adjacent. That's minus 2 over minus 1. The tangent of theta is 2. The cosine of 2 theta. How do we do that? Well, you've got lots of things you've got three different formulas to choose from here. If we chose cosine squared theta minus 1, we'd have minus root over root 5. 1 over root 5 squared to minus 1 would get a number. It's negative 3 over 5. All done. Simplify this following expression without a calculator. Okay, so cos squared of 15 degrees minus 1, well, that's this thing here. It's really just the cos of 30 degrees. That's all it is. Now, the sine of 140 degrees, is really, the cos of 310 degrees is really the cos of 50 degrees. That's that one there. That's 40 degrees away from 180. If you reduce it, it's really the sine of 40 degrees. But hang on, isn't the cos of 50 really equal to the sine of 40? That cancels. Okay, well, they said simplify the following expression to one trigonometric ratio. Well, it's the cos of 30 degrees plus 2. I guess that's not that's a trigonometric ratio plus a number. So if you take the cos of 30, which is root 3 over 2 plus 2, and then make it into one fraction, that could be a trigonometric ratio, because that could be the opposite over the adjacent side of a triangle. But I don't know if it is a trigonometric ratio. I guess it could be. I'm a little confused about this, what they're asking for here. But they want you to simplify this. It's definitely the cos of 30 degrees plus 2. This feels like it's answering the question of a trig ratio right here. But it's not one trigonometric. See, they made a big capital 1 here. So I guess that's probably the answer right there. Okay. Anyways, that's that one all done.